Order filled. Stop filled.
Hello, hello. Check, check. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. If yes, please let me know if you guys can hear me loud and clear.
Order filled.
Yes, okay. Okay. Hello everyone, good evening. It's been a long day. It's been a long week, right? I guess this is my first live for the week. I hope you guys are doing well. We will get started in a few minutes. I'm just waiting for the market to open. Just tried taking some trades, but since it's chopping around, nothing much. Okay. So what do I see? I see price rejecting this level, which is the 926,000. Price closed yesterday. Price closed above 26,000 level, right? So this is an indicator that we might see price going higher from here. I'm not sure if it's going to go in the first half itself, but I feel like we will see price going higher. That's why I'm just waiting for price to react, and then maybe we can look for price going higher. That's what I believe will happen today, right? We will see price going and at least till this level. So this is the move that I'm expecting for today. Um, I don't know, in the market open it might fall down first and then goes up, or anything that it wants to do. So let's see. Are you giving me a sell opportunity? Maybe. Let's see.
Order filled.
22 and 32. Let's see. Looks like it's breaking this, so I'm just taking the sell for a short, quick dip if it's going down. Like, the reason I'm taking the sell is because it kind of looked like it wants to break this thing, right? That's why I took the sell just for a small points, and for now there is nothing much. So let's just see what it will do in the next few minutes. This is Nasdaq. YRM. Starter Prime. Not required. 0.35%. 10 profitable trading days. Payouts eligible after 10 days, or and rule compliance. Drawdown type EOD. Soft bridge. That's a good dip for a buy. Nice, amazing. I'm looking for buys, but I just wanted to dip somewhere until here, this level. Okay, nice. Nice. Let's close the trade at $60.
Order filled.
And we will look for buying opportunities in the next 1 minute. Let's see if we can get a pump to the upside. Come on, don't leave me alone. 25. Okay, cool. I'm entering now.
Order filled.
28, and it'll be 14. Let's see. I might get stop out now also. I just don't want to miss if the opening is good. The reason why I'm buying is, price has, yesterday it came down, it retraced back, and again we have seen the retracement, and it pumped again, right around 6 o'clock. It pumped, and it created some fair value gap, which price has covered just now, right? So that's one of the reason why I'm buying. Let's see. Last 1 minute to go. Hopefully it pumps. Hopefully it doesn't take me out. If it takes me out, I'm gonna re-enter. No worries. Come on, push it upside. Upside pump. Let's go. Upside. Come on. 20 seconds left. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, started. The rally has started. Amazing. Come Come on, push up, man. Don't do like that to me. Let's go. You can do it. It's not able to break this. It's not able to break this. Let's see. Hopefully it breaks. Hopefully it breaks. If it's failing, it's totally fine. I have break even my trade. I can close it now also. I feel like this thing is going to go. Yeah, this is. I'm expecting this thing to be taken out. Yep, like this.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How much money did I make? I think I made some good money, guys. I made some good money. Okay, I'm closing.
Order filled.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How much money did I make? I just made $500. Amazing. So this is how market opens works. Hopefully, good start of the day. Good start for the day. Good start for the day. Did you guys witness the buys? Okay, I closed it and prices dumped. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Today I'm not gonna trade much. I'm just gonna trade one more account and I'm done for the day. So let me check. Let me read some. Okay, so let me open another account, which is this one. And what else do I need to do? Activate. What is wrong with this thing now? Not moving. Am I doing something wrong? Let's reload. Okay. Exit all positions and I'm closing this one, guys. Amazing day. Closing this one and I'll trade this one more, but I don't know what's wrong. Let's see. Am I allowed to trade or no? It's active already. Dip chart. It's open. Let's wait for some more time. Actually, I'm lucky, because for the person who asked what's this triangle thing, so the price has been chopping around, right? So what I saw was before the news, price took out the price is from 8:30 till 9:30 for 1 hour. Price created liquidity on both the sides. Okay, price created liquidity. So this is a very good buying opportunity, guys. I just hope this thing works now. Come on. Okay, so it created liquidity on both the sides. Once I saw that this liquidity has been taken out to the downside, I know that the upside liquidity will be taken out. These are all the liquidities. So if I just draw it, this is the whole liquidity that's being printed. This one and this one, right? So price took it out in one shot, right? And the spike is coming up from the 9:30 open, which is the New York market opening, stock market opening time, where a huge amount of volumes come inside. So I knew the volumes would be entering, and that's the reason why I took the buy. And this thing is okay. I'll give you feedback. What do you want? I don't know why. Uh, Come on, what is wrong, guys? Connect, man. I have to trade. Do you use OBS? Poor, good, 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 easy to use, good. I haven't used, good, good. Trading only, good. 50%. Trading view. Trader weight. Too much lag during major T, and also too much minutes to load the charts. No. No. Sent. Okay, I did this from my side. Now what? What are you waiting, man? Reload, man. I knew this was happening. I knew this was happening. Come on, at least, come on. See, this is so easy. You just wait, just buy it at the VWAP. I knew this was happening. Come on, dude. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, go. Okay, I'm buying now.
Order filled.
And I'm putting the stop loss somewhere here. First trade. I might lose it because this is starting. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, starting with the loss. It hasn't touched yet. And this should be micro. Come on, pump for me. Hopefully it pumps. I'm in the third minute, right? Minute 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you pump. Okay, I might get stopped out and then it pumps. Maybe. Let's see.
Order filled.
Yep. And then it pumps. Okay. How much did I lose? I lose 246. I can risk another 246, not more than that. Let's do it like this. Put it here. Okay, this looks good. And let's see the chats. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? Good evening. I'm using 5 minutes and 1 minute, guys. Is this a sell buy opportunity for me?
Order filled.
I'm late, guys. As usual. Oh, lucky. I should take 4 more contracts. Lucky me. Buy. And then I am. Should I enter now? Not sure. Okay, let's just hold one contract. Totally fine with the one contract. Once it breaks this upside, we can take the rest of the trades later, right? Since price is chopping around for the market open, let's not take more trades. Okay, lucky me. That's $50. That would have been a great trade for me. Anyways, let's wait. This is called Volumetrica. This is a different platform. Okay, this is called Volumetrica. Veloran. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Do I enter or do I wait? I'm just confused, guys. Should I be in or no? Should I be in or no? Should I wait? Okay, I should wait. I should wait. I should wait. Since this is the opening, I think we can wait, and once we see a break, and then we can enter easily. Oh shit, I should have not waited. Okay, $100 with just one contract. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. We can always re-enter, so there is nothing much to worry about. We should see another dip before price goes up. Nice. That's a beautiful, beautiful pump to the upside. And then this keeps on going. Okay, I'll be re-entering most probably because we have seen the break. I don't know where I should enter, but most probably I should enter in the next 3 minutes. I'm gonna enter. If this pumps, I'm gonna miss it out like this. But oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So price has pumped 100 points. Amazing. Yesterday was bad day, Price dropped like 600, 700 points. Amazing, amazing. That's a beautiful push. If price comes back to this fair value gap, as you can see, I'm going to take the trade, right? I'm going to put 5 contracts, not 4 contracts. I'm going to put 5 contracts. I already have 1 contract, which is giving me $100. Um, I'm going to put 5 more contracts, and then let's see. Oh shit! I should have been, guys. If I would have taken 5 contracts, I should have been done by now. That was a bad thing that I did. I changed the trading panel, so it just showed 1 here. I didn't check it, and that's how I missed it. Okay, this fair value gap is the only thing that is stopping me from entering. Once price visit this, I'm gonna re-enter, right? How many minutes do we have? We have 3 minutes left. Three minutes left. I'm not sure, buddy. I'm gonna check. Umakanta Manipur. Who is Umakanta Manipur? Are you UKT or you Umakanta? I lose 5% as funded account in silver trade. So you see, it's all about position sizing, brother. It's not about silver, gold, nothing like that. It's all about how you size your positions, right? Size it properly, nothing is going to happen. First break, second break. Let's see. I'll be in if it breaks. If it doesn't break, I'm not going in. The 1 hour candle looks amazing. I don't think it's going to push higher. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, the fair value has been taken. Hopefully we get a buy on the next 1 or 2 candles. Let's see. We just want the 1 minute to respect it. This is not a good respect, so this was happening. Anyways, let's see. I'm all ready to buy it. I'm all set to buy it. Let's see. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm in. Hopefully it goes up without hitting me out. If it comes down, I'm gonna close, right? Since this is a huge lot. The lot size is big. Come on, don't do that to me. 16, 15, 14, 11. Come on, push up for me. Come on, you can do it. Come on. 5 minutes. 1 minute left. Which is the push now, most probably. Upside or downside. It can come down also, so keep in mind. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come for me. Oh no. Pump for me, come on. Last 15 minutes. Let's see how 15 minutes performing. Okay, it's gonna come down, so I'm gonna close. 20 seconds, and I'm gonna close. Pump, otherwise I'm gonna close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
Oh shit. I lost $600. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm just gonna wait. Because the previous loss took me out, and that's the reason why I'm losing. Okay, so what is possible right now? What is possible? I don't know, because there is no breakout structure. Okay, that's the only thing. There is no breakout structure in the 15 minutes. 30 minutes also doesn't have a breakout structure. 1 hour also doesn't have a breakout structure. Only 5 minutes has a breakout structure. So maybe, will the market go down? I don't know, guys, but I don't think that's going to happen. If we see a break of this level, we will surely go for sells. Until then, we wait. We don't know the direction until now, so we wait. I'm just gonna check which side it wants to go. Accordingly, we will take the trade. Let's draw some lines. This is the 930, right? Cool. Come to 930. I'll buy you again. If it comes here, we'll take a what do you say? A reaction trade, right? So price will most probably react there. I'll take a reaction trade. Okay, activating the buy in. It didn't reach, but let's see. Oh, take this out. Take this out. Don't do that. Limit. Placed. Then stop loss right here. $100 risk. Okay, good. No more than that. Then opening a buy just to see if we can get a buy. If price rejects, I will buy. I'll buy here. Last 2 minutes.
Order filled.
I'm in the buy. I'm cutting off the limit. Just taking some reaction, that's all, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, closing.
Order filled.
I just don't want to lose a lot. That's why I'm not holding, guys. I would have hold this easily, but I want to close the trades first.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I was speaking from the time. You guys cannot hear what I was speaking? Okay, guys, I'll just visit the washroom. Give me just give me 1 minute, okay? We have 5 minutes, and we'll see. We'll see. We're not gonna trade much now. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so what I see is we should be seeing some buys because um this 1 hour candle, right? For it to look for the price to go bullish, this needs to close above this, right? It needs to close above this. So that's one criteria I'm seeing right now in 2 minutes. That's why I want to buy so badly. Otherwise, it goes down. Okay, this is a sell pattern. To be honest, if you ask me what do I see, buy or sell, I want price to go up, but right now price is creating a sell pattern. Okay, I want you guys to understand that this is a bearish pattern, but I'm so bullish. What to do? See, high, 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 right? And creating liquidity to the downside. Price is creating a sell pattern, so I'm just confused that do I look for sells or do I look for buys? I want to buy, to be honest. That's why I'm waiting. 30 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Let's see how this closes. And then next candle is where we enter up or down. One side. Looks like the sell pattern is working. Cool. Then we change our bias, right? Simple as that. Last 1 minute left for the 1 hour candle to close. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Now do I? What do I do? What do I do? No, I don't think it's going up now. Yeah, okay, cool, cool. Not taking the sell. I have a strong belief we are going to see price hovering around so bad for so long. Okay, let's make back the money in the next 1 hour. Okay, we can do it. We shall do it. 15 minutes order block reaction. Which side, buy or sell? You mean this one? Yep, yep. That's there. This is the opening. And then price reacted in this order block. Does that mean it wants to go down? We don't know. Okay, so we buy now. We buy.
Order
And now
filled.
we are so late. We're so late. We are so late, guys. I might lose this. So I'm gonna close it. Oh, don't do that. That's a bad choice that I just did. I wanted to buy, but I did it late. Let's wait. If it takes me out, it's totally fine.
Order filled.
Cool. My bad. I'm gonna buy anyways because I know what's going to happen next.
Order filled.
Re-entering again and closing every $100-$200. Okay. Let's take multiple trades today and make back the money. Don't do that to me. Come on.
Order filled.
Dude, that's so bad. I knew the buy was coming. I don't know when. Guys, I'm
Order
retrying
filled.
the buy again because that's coming very soon. It can be any time. Come on, this pump. This pump. This pump. Pump, man. Give me $200. I'll close. Why? Why, dude? Okay.
Order filled.
Cool. $100. Let me just go slow, okay? Let me go slow. I'm gonna sell, that's for sure. But before that, price is going to come up, right? So price didn't close here. 15 minutes reaction. So again, it goes up, we sell again, right? That's what we do. There's nothing much to do. Now we wait for some price to create this highs, 2 to 3 candles, and then we join the sell. I don't know where it's gonna dump to, but it looks like the sell is going to work. I don't have a target for sales, to be honest, but if price is bearish, what to do? We take part in the sell. See, so quick. We wait. Refresh. Refresh. Nice. Price is about to break. We are all set to sell you then. Come down. One. Failure. Block. First break. Why? If you ask me why am I losing, it's because I'm trading a different platform. That's why. To be honest, I'll get used to it, right? I used to do trade of eight, but right now, since I'm doing
Order
a
filled.
different platform, that's one of the reasons why I'm losing. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I should get stopped out if it doesn't fall. 20 seconds. Come on. Let's go. Give me $100. I'm done. Give me $150. Oh no. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't do that, dude. Okay, I'll get stopped out. See, Before closing my trade, I'm getting stopped out.
Order filled.
Anyways, I'm bearish. I'm bearish. So I was waiting for $100 and it never came to my $100. I anticipate bullish. Maybe, brother. The only reason I'm uh, selling is because 1 hour hasn't give me a break yet, right? So that's the only reason. Otherwise, I'm pro bullish. I don't see any reason why price wants to come down. But if in the scalping room, if there is no you trade momentums, right? You trade sides. So I should have taken this buy for sure. I was just waiting. I was just hoping that price takes out some low and then I'll buy again. So we wait again. We wait. I have to go very slow since I have lost a lot of money. And I'm not worried because I know I can make it back. Maybe not today, but tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe, yeah. But we just wait for the move. Today is Friday, price might not move. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you that logic also. So what happens is, yesterday price moved a lot of points, right? 1650. Oh, guys, I'll tell you, live bullish, live bearish. Very high chance, it stays inside this. So you know what to do. When it's at the top, you buy. When it's at the low, you sell. I'm gonna try doing that. The reason behind, let's take for an example that you are a runner, right? And you are running marathon, and your capacity is to run 10 kilometers, okay? And today, instead of running 10 kilometers, you ran for 20 kilometers, right? So obviously you get tired.
Order filled.
I should have joined earlier. Anyways, this was a bad entry.
Order
To
filled.
be honest, I should have joined earlier.
Order
I'm
filled.
rejoining since I had a bad entry. And if it goes bullish, then I lose, right? Come on, guys. Dumb for me. Don't do that. Dump, 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 dump. Whenever I put TP, I lose. That's why I don't feel like putting TP. Dump, 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 dump. Let's go. Let's go. Closing.
Order filled.
Since this is a fair value gap, I want a good reaction. Otherwise, I don't feel like holding. Let's go. What do you guys see? Tell me. Share your charts. Share your charts on the chat. Share your charts on the chat. I'm gonna check it out. Share your charts, guys. I'm gonna check it out for you guys. No bearish. Next candle we go bearish.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get a bearish miss. $62 only. 30 points.
Order filled.
No worries, no worries. Yes, we are waiting for a big move until this chops. So it's fine to go 100 up and down, okay? Next candle is where we short again. We want it to pump and then we sell. Maybe if it goes like this, it's okay. But there is no manipulation to the upside, to the downside. That's why I'm not interested to buy so early.
Order filled.
Okay. 200, 137. Am I early in this trend? Dumb man. 4 minutes. If it doesn't break, we close, okay? We want proper dump. Flush. 3, 2, 1. Flush. We want flush. Price can take out this high and then flush, okay? Okay, we got the flush, but I didn't close yet. Are you going up? Don't do that, brother. Come on. Okay, I'm just going small risk. I don't want to risk a lot. Okay,
Order
so
filled.
bad. I did the same bad thing again. Shit. Dude, what am I doing, man? What am I doing? What am I doing? Sell for me, buy for me. But price is going to the upside, guys. I'm still bearish anyways.
Order
I'm still
filled.
bearish. Who cares, dude?
Order filled. Order filled.
If I'm wrong here, price goes up, okay? I'm just
Order filled.
trading a trend line, okay? That's why if I'm wrong here, price goes up. That's how it does. I'm losing a lot, guys, and I'm just trying it out with this platform. Rest, I'm good. See, I'm being played. There is some spread issues, that's for sure. How many minutes? We have 2 minutes. Cool. Next candle, I'm gonna enter then. Next candle, I'm gonna enter. Come up, and I'm in.
Order filled.
Let's take small trades. Let's not go big. Because I'm not. I don't know. I'm just getting stopped out so fast, so quick. See? Why are you playing with me, man? Do you want me to blow it today itself?
Order filled.
Cool. I'm taking a break. I just have $200 left. Shit. I'm going low with the contract sizing, which is 2 contracts. I know the sell is coming, but I can't take it. Guys, market is playing with me. I knew the sell was coming, but because of my drawdown or maybe because of my stop loss, I okay, cool. No worries. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sell is there. Okay, why am I looking for buys yet? Is because maybe it goes up. See, we got the break. We got the break. We got the break in the 15 minutes. I want price to be pushed up. Let's see. Yes. Oh, maybe ES did some liquidation, but no. YM also 930 dumps, 955. Yes. ES taking out the highs, and Q is not able to. And it's not a good time to sell a buy because the candle is open, so maybe it comes down first before going up. But there's no reason to come down, so it can go up also. The only problem is if it's choppy, which means if it's going up and down like this, then you can't do anything. See, that is the problem with this company. It lags like this.
Order filled.
Cool. I'm in shorts
Order filled.
and I'm out. I'm getting chopped inside the chop. Actually, the price action was way better before before everything. I was trading all this range. Right now, it's taking me out side by side. Okay, if we see a break, maybe, maybe, maybe buys if there's a break. Are you trading or gambling? Actually, today I'm gambling, to be honest. I should not be doing this because this is a funded account. I have like how many dollars? I have like $100. That's all I have. So I should take a break. I will show you guys. Okay, cool. I am on tilt, so let me wait for some time. Let me give you guys some details, okay? What the reason why I trade like this. Okay, we have 22 people, and I trade futures. Okay, in futures I trade only Nasdaq. Okay, I trade only Nasdaq, and futures I only trade 50,000 accounts, and this 50,000 accounts will cost me somewhere between um, $80 to $130. Okay, so that's the costing of 150K account, and there are so many rules that they have. The only thing is the payout is good. The payout is fast. You get fast payouts. You get fast. What do you say? There are not much rules, but there are rules. Okay, that's how I would like to say. So I'll show you guys how it works. Let's take for an example Lucid. Okay, let's take for an example Lucid Trading. So this is one company that I trade with. Okay, and if I go to Lucid, yep. If I go to Lucid, there are different types. There are there's Lucid Pro, there's Lucid Black, there's Lucid Flex, there's Lucid Direct. Okay, I'll just explain you guys what is Lucid Flex. That's where I trade. Now, one account is costing me around $91, right? And the maximum loss limit, as you guys can see, the maximum loss limit is $2,000. Okay, $2,000. So that's something that we have to keep in mind. See the price? Can you guys see? It goes down again. Okay, so I'm getting chopped. The only problem is with today's trade, like if I trade with trader weight, it would have been easy for me because I know how price moves, But here, somewhat, I'm not getting the catch. I'm not able to close so fast also. I don't know why, but again, it's totally fine. Okay. So I think for the next 1 hour, it's gonna chop badly. So it's okay. Let's avoid trading since I've lost a lot. So the I can only lose $2,000. Okay. So let's keep that in the rule. 10,000, $2,000, which is just 4%. Okay, which is just 4%. Now, what happens is, if you guys trade, you know that 4% is a very small amount of risk, a very small amount of drawdown, right? You can blow it very fast. So compared to CFDs, the price of the challenge the prop firms are very cheaper, but only thing is they have a less drawdown, right? So what we do is they allow us to trade a maximum of 5 accounts. Okay, they allow us to trade a maximum of 5 accounts. So what we do is, let's say for an example, I have a 50% pass rate. Okay, 50% pass rate. Let's take for an example 50% pass rate, which means for every what do you say, 2 accounts I buy, I pass 1, right? So let's say I'm buying 10 accounts, which is going to give me around 91, right? So $910, correct? This is my investment, correct? This is my investment, and I passed, let's say PAS means past accounts, and I passed 5 accounts, correct? Now, what I want you guys to understand is, just like today, the reason why I want to teach you guys is I made a mistake, right? I made a mistake of trying to cover up the losses without getting hold of the platform easily. So, even though you have passed it, let's keep it here. Okay, even though you have passed it, now the rule is I cannot lose more than $2,000 here also. Right? So I cannot take big trades. If you take big trades, just like today, you will go down. And I went down. It's bad. Okay, I can recover this, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Right? So $2,000, and then I have 5 accounts, correct? What I do is I have the option of copying, right? As you can see, there is trade copier, right? I have the option of copying the trades, but instead of copying, I rotate accounts. Okay, I rotate accounts, and with futures, there is something called a trailing drawdown. Okay, there is something called a trailing drawdown. So how does a trailing drawdown looks like? There is end of day and there is trailing. Okay, so how does trailing drawdown looks like? Let's say your account, you have $50,000, and you made, like, you took a trade, and your trade is making $1,000, let's say. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding till now. You have a $50,000 account, and you make a trade, and the trade is running $1,000. Now, what most of us will do, we will try to hold this trade, right? But the problem with the futures prop firm is they have something called the trailing drawdown. So let's take for an example, you are in $1,000 profit, and you cannot lose more than 2,000. In most of the accounts, what they do is this $1,000 profit, let's say either you closed it, for some prop firms it's after closing, and for some prop firms it's before closing. Okay, let's take the before closing one. You have an equity of 51,000, right? Now your drawdown should be 48,000, correct? Your drawdown, which is the maximum loss, after subtracting your maximum loss, it should be $48,000, right? But instead of $48,000, your drawdown will not be 48, your drawdown will become $49,000. Okay? Because of the trading, since you have already $1,000 in profit, even that thing also counts as your capital. You know, that's the hard part. So, when you look at in this perspective, it is very hard to basically take day trades. Okay, because price can easily come back to you also. There's a possibility that price can come back to you. So what we do is we scalp 10 to 30 points. Okay, we scalp 10 to 30 points. Now that's the first thing. Now if you ask me why do I take multiple trades, that's because I rotate. Okay, I'm taking multiple trades of 10 to 30 points, and if you want to see how a 10 to 30 point looks like, it's I'll show you in this candle. This is the high of the candle. Here is 10 points. This small move is 10 points. Here is 20 points, and the candle hasn't even printed 30 points, right? This is 30 points. So it's a very small pip range, right? Why we do this? Because we keep on booking our profits and we go slow. Even in the loss is the same thing. So that our the what do you call, the trailing drawdown doesn't affect us. I hope you guys are understanding, right? So that the trailing drawdown doesn't affect us. And then I just rotate different accounts. Rotate accounts. You can blow accounts very fast, just like today. But the thing is, you have 5 accounts. Okay, you have 5 accounts. If I show you guys the days to pay out, the days to pay out is 5. Okay, you have to trade a minimum days of $150, and then you get a payout. What you do is you take all the 5 trades, 5 accounts, and you make $150 every single day. $150 to $200, let's say. You do $150 to $200. Okay, so if you're doing for 7 days, 7 into, let's say, $200 you're doing, that's coming around $1,400. Correct? You are allowed to withdraw 50% of the profits after 5 days, right? So that's coming to $700. Now I want you guys to understand this math. Your investment was just $910, correct? Your investment was just $910. And let's say you blew 5 accounts, you just passed 5, and with this 5 accounts, if you manage to just take one payout also, you have quite recovered the amount, right? So that's why today was gambling, but that's why it might look like gambling to you guys. So if I tell you what strategy I would trade here, I would trade 10 to 20 points from this level and 10 to 20 points from this level. Okay, once I'm confirmed that this thing is going to happen, so maybe I can take a buy here. Okay, and once if price breaks this, what do? You wait and you take another trade and you keep on joining if you want. 10 20 points, 10 20 points, 10 20 points. Okay, that's what you do. If you guys have any questions regarding how to trade futures, you can ask me and I'll be sharing it to you guys also. Okay, price is finally broken. Minutes broke. We have the order block here. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't even see price going out of this range. Trust me, it comes down here, it goes up here. So maybe a lesson learned, and the lesson is if a day has huge moves like this, 746 points, right? The next day will be rest day, obviously, right? And that's what I should have understood earlier. Same thing. Today, gold did move, but New York is not going to move much. It's just going to be here. So, I. Oh, shit. NQH, right? So, same thing, same thing. You go here, and then you click micro E-mini. So, I'm trading micros now. Okay, so let's see if we can get a buy. Now you know why would I buy here? Next candle I should buy.
Order filled.
Let's make a small. If I lose, I'll most probably blow the account. Otherwise, we can make up the profits. Let's see. Because I don't put much pressure on myself when it comes to recovering it. Either I blow it and I do it, because it gives. Today was a big mistake, to be honest. Today was a big mistake. I tried over trading. I should have not over traded. I felt like I could have done it, but again, this chop took me out, and again, also my stop loss was kind of huge compared to Tradeovate. I put very small stop losses in Tradeovate, but again here, I did put some big stop losses, so that's the problem. Let's see if we can say pump. The reason I bought it, because it took out this loss. Since we are inside the chop. No, where are we? Since we're inside the chop, what? NQ1, okay, cool. Since we are inside the chop, I feel like we will see the push up higher, and then maybe it goes down. Maybe, right? It can just dump also, but I'm anticipating bullishness. Cool. If price wants to dump, it can dump, okay, from here itself. It doesn't need to come up. That's why I'm just checking out how the candles are closing. Last 1 minute. Yep, it wants to dump. But my stop loss is still not filled. Lucky me, yeah. Lucky me.
Order filled.
Closing. Next candle we might, let's see for a buy again in the next candle. This candle, we are seeing so many wicks, so maybe it goes down first. Any questions you guys have that I can help you out? Okay, so I will be consistent with my trading from Monday. I'll be sharing you guys my growth. I'll be sharing you guys the charts the challenges that I'm taking. If I pass, how do I do it? Let's start properly on Monday. Okay, 15 seconds. Maybe it's gonna pump. It pumped as expected. This is gonna continue, right? Yep. Ah. So simple as that. I trade reactions. I know where the reactions are going to happen. Only thing was I placed stupid stop losses today, and that's the reason why my account is so down. I know where the reactions will happen, and this is what happens. Easy as that. As easy as this. Once the liquidity gets taken out, everyone is trying to sell, right? But you take the opposite trade. You know, that's how you do it. This was a good trade. This would have given me 4 into 20, 30, 31, what, 200, 300, $200 to $300. Mm, 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 mm. What we would do is whenever price goes up, we sell. Whenever price comes down, we buy. That's all you do. Nothing else. See, dumps again. Let's see how gold is doing. Yesterday, gold dumped a whopping 5,000. We can say 5,000 pips if we calculate the high of the day. 5,000, right? That's how much gold dumped. 5,000 points or pips. And silver is dumping more. 150 pips. 21%. Silver is down 21%. So be careful. It goes up again and it comes down. Nvidia is up. Google is up. Tesla is up. I trade without SOC. See, what did you learn? Like, you are seeing me trade, right? If I blow or if I don't blow, always have a habit of putting stop loss. Wherever you put a stop loss, that's totally fine, but have a habit of putting a stop loss. Guys, I feel like a buy setup is being formed. It's being formed right now. It's gonna be slow, but I am currently seeing a buy setup being formed. Yes, same thing. YM, same thing. I don't want to. I don't know. I'm feeling so sleepy also. I don't want to sell here also today, right now, because I see buy opportunities right now. It's gonna take some time, maybe, but yes, the buy opportunity is forming. And today, this is the YouTube live. We have 23 people uh, watching, and I promise in front of you guys that no more over trading, no more over trading, right? Um, that's one thing I'll promise you guys. Okay, so that since you guys are watching me, I don't want you guys to follow it. This would be the one of the reason why I should not do this again. So no more over trading. I will trade my plan. Today I thought I'll make it up, and doing so I started, instead of risking just $150, my risk were ranging around $200-300, right? That's why it just went back very fast. And I think I was anticipating buy sooner before it took out the highs. And I'm feeling sleepy now. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to do the class for long, guys, today, because I traded 2 accounts. One account I'm in profit of $500. Let me show you guys. I took the market opening buy and made around $500. So this was the buy. I don't know. Okay, this was the buy. Okay, so I took the buys. I took the buy here. Okay, the buy was here at 25828, and then I sold it here, right? I took it here. I sold it here. That's around 70-point move, and I made $500. My balance is currently 51,541, right? Which is very close to payout again. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to tell you, everyone. Right? This might look like gambling, but you go slow, you make profits. But the same strategy, okay? Today I made a mistake of over trading, but I'll use the same strategy. I have two strategies basically. One is a very patient strategy, which uses smart money concepts, and the previous strategy is where I'm taking the reactions, right? And the only way you make money in this reaction is by controlling your trades. And today I didn't control my trades and I lost it. And I promise you, this will be the last time I'm doing it in life, right? Uh, I have to control it. Bro, I was up whole week, and with my emotions, my account was blown. Feels like I was wasting my whole week. No, bro, you learned a lot. You learned a lot. That's what I want to say. You cannot be a master without failing. I have done the same thing again and again, again and again. And it is totally fine to blow accounts. Profirms are meant to be blown. Just make sure you are taking 1 or 2 payouts for every 10 accounts you buy. Don't hold emotions with the profirms. Again, the same thing is happening, guys. See, price is creating trend line liquidities and it's just falling down once it reaches that. Payout low, boogie video more in different ways so that we can learn from you. See, there are only 2 ways. One is RICE, RISC, RICE. Just open an account with RICE, and then in RICE you can connect your bank account or crypto wallet. They'll pay you. Another option is directly to your bank account. You put your bank account, they'll pay you. There is no different ways. There is no tough ways out there for that. You can just get your way outside that. I'm feeling very sleepy, guys, today. I don't know why. Let's see. If we can get a selling opportunity then.
Order filled.
93. And
Order
I'm
filled.
out. The reason I'm getting taken out is because of my stop loss. Simple as that. And then I try to re-enter. Bro, I should have taken a break this Friday. I was up 4% and all goes in van. Yep, you should have taken a break. That's what you did wrong. Let's take for an example. Okay, the previous account that I have, I'm in $500, right? I can make another 500, but I don't do it, right? So my strategy doesn't allow me to trade profits. That if I'm in profit, you don't trade because we can withdraw it easily. Let's say I blow this account, okay, which I'm gonna blow anyways. Let's say I blow this account. I can buy. Um, guys, market is playing with me so bad. It's gonna go down. See. Um, let's say I'm in $1,500, okay, and let's also take for consideration that I make another 1,500 in the next week, okay, which is very much possible. So I make $3,000. I am allowed to withdraw, if I'm not wrong, 2,000. So I withdraw $2,000. Now what happens? How much would be my investment with this? 910. And let's say I buy another account, another 1,000. So basically, with 2,000, you can buy 20 more accounts. Okay? And you keep on rotating that. Nothing much to do it. I'm gonna end the session in the next 4 minutes because I was planning to trade only two accounts today, one in profit, one in deep loss, and I would I would apologize for this, right? I overtraded for sure, and we are starting a challenge by by next month, right? Feb. I will trade with you guys. I will share my analysis. I'll tell you why I take this trade, right? Without rushing much, okay? Especially in the live sessions. But to be honest, I take around 20 to 30 points, 30 trades a day. Okay, the reason behind I rotate accounts. Let's say I take a sell here. Okay, let's say I take a sell. Price goes down. I close it. I change the account. I take a buy here. I close it. I change the account. I take a sell here. Somewhere in between, I lose it. I trade again. If I lose it, I change the account. So I rotate like this. Okay, that's what I do. Master Master PKYRN, right? Brother, it's totally fine. I've done it. Everyone has done it. You reflect back. Go open your book and reflect back at what you did, how you can change yourself, right? I'm gonna do the same thing. Today I should have not overtraded, right? Yep, learn the hard way. That's the best way to learn. You start risking a lot of money when you have a lot of accounts. Otherwise, you don't, right? If you have just one account, you go slow. Simple as that. NQ is trying to break out. Um, hopefully it breaks out. 15 minutes. I don't know. I don't know. And I should have avoided it so bad. Today was bad decision I made of trading this barcode. Okay, if you guys have anything, feel free to ask me because I'm gonna end the session if you guys don't have any questions right now. Master Pick A. What's your real name, brother? Master Pick AYRN. What's a good name? Bon John. Okay, Bonjon, no worries. Go slow, reflect on yourself, restart. That's all. What else can you do? Restart again. This is one of the worst days, guys. Price started with a chop. Okay. Okay. Price started with a small chop, and then it's chopping big. It started with a small chop, and then it's chopping big. It's gonna sell again, dude. No, no trading, guys. No trading. Let's not trade. Okay. I'm not gonna expose. Like, I feel like trading. I feel like exposing other accounts, but I'm not gonna do that. I decided I will take only two accounts, and that was a good thing. Only bad thing I did was I thought I will just cover it up today, taking bigger risk. Um, if it would have been trade of weight, maybe I would have covered it. But with dip charts, with this is a new platform called dip chart, and I am not so used to it, to be very honest. That's what I made a mistake. I have a way of covering this account. The way is to put a buy stop like this. So let's say I'm putting a sell stop here. Okay, so I'll put a sell stop like this. What happens is when there is a red folder news, okay, I'm gonna remove it first, and I'm gonna put a big lot. When there's a red folder news next week, Monday there is nothing. Or there is, but I don't think this is gonna move. We have Jol Jobs and ISM ADP. Who cares? Yep, this one. FOMC, right? So most probably price goes up at FOMC. What I would do is I will until Friday I will take one contract or two contracts and I will try bringing up, okay, if I can. And then I will check the website how many contracts I can take. I'll take the maximum contracts and I will place a buy stop. Okay, let's say today is NFP. Okay, I'll place a buy stop here like this. What happens in NFP is price fly like this. It doesn't do like this. So in case if price flies, my entry gets triggered with the maximum contract and you get some profits, right? So that's the only way I recover this account. Going slow might do it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go that route. I will do it in front of you guys. Paisa fraction da leiba yadaba matauri. You learn, brother. You learn. I'll tell you what to do. Place a trade. Okay. First of all, plan how many trades you are taking. Okay. Once you have done planning, so most probably you're gonna take 2 to 3 trades. Now you divide how much loss you will go with 2 to 3 trades, and take the 2 to 3 trades and lose the money. That's fine. But let's say on your first trade, there is very less slippage. I will say there is no slippage, brother. There is no slippage with futures. Okay, for futures, no. Let's say you win a trade, okay, and your target is around 250, and you make around 239. Okay, close it. Don't let it go for 250. Don't let it go for 300. Don't let it go for 250. You almost reached or you crossed a bit. That's totally fine. Don't go for perfection and just close it. Don't you have another 2 trades, right, to take? Don't take the trade, because if you take the trade again, you lose it. For example, I took a buy, right, and I made 500. If I won, I could have taken more trades. Either I win or either I lose. Now what if you do, what happens if you lose? You do the same thing again and again, just like how I did just now. Okay, so again I'm gonna open my book, journal my trade, journal what I did wrong today. I did very big mistake, and someone asked me if am I gambling, and I accepted I was gambling, right? I made a mistake of trying to recover it back. So I'm going to write it down, and I promise you I'm never doing it by Monday, by the next week, by next month. February I'm going to come clean, I'm going to come new, and let's take some big payouts in February, okay? And for me, January has been an amazing month, a month of learning, a month of change. I passed around 600 accounts. I withdrew 2 times in the month of Jan. I'm not gonna tell you how much, but I did 2 withdrawals with 2 firms, and I passed 6 accounts. February, I'm planning to pass around 20 accounts, and just imagine, like, I'm only doing 50 accounts, right? 50K, $50,000. So I just keep on rotating, and losses are part of the game, and it's totally fine to lose. Amazing session with you guys. I'm gonna come back stronger with a proper plan on how I trade, so you guys understand. So this weekend, most probably I'm gonna shoot a video and I will upload it. May you watch it, guys, and you will understand how I'm trading, why am I trading this way, right? And if I'm trading slow, how I trade. If I'm trading fast, how I trade. You will know. Okay. So good night. See you everyone on the next session. See you on February. Good night, everyone. Peace out.